Morning everyone, welcome to my motoring. My name is Nez. Now you join me bright and early on a Saturday morning at a tyre centre. That's because today we're going to replace the tyres on my BMW Z4. So today I'm going to show you the process and the cost involved in replacing the tyres on the BMW Z4. So let's get started. So guys, the car is now in the workshop. They're about to take off the rear tyres. Of course, they just asked me, where is the locking wheel nut? And I was like, it's in the boot, isn't it? And it was in the glove box. Now, these tyres were £202 each. Now, I was shocked because this was the first time getting tyres for this car and I thought they'll be a little bit cheaper than that. So 400 for the rear tyres, and then for the front you're talking about another 300 quid in. So overall, for 4 tyres you're looking at 745 quid, including fitting and everything else, balancing. So it's not bad, but 400 quid to replace my 2 rear tyres. The car is now in there, so we'll just watch the process, see what's involved, and then we'll go from there. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Alan. He's going to be the superstar of this channel. Look at him. He's working those muscles. Look at him. Ladies out there, ladies, hit him up. So it's well worn, is it?
Yeah. These are tread depth indicators. They're 1.6 mil.
So that tyre is done?
Done.
Wow. See you later. Oh, look at that tread. Now what he's doing is just taking the weights off, find out where to then put the new weights, check the balancing of the wheel. Fresh rubber, look at that. Ooh, ooh. Ready for the winner. So how long have you been doing this then, Alan?
Most of my life.
Oh, right.
Since the scratch, really.
There you go. What's the condition like then?
Well, you got a puncher there.
Uh-oh.
It's totally illegal.
Oh my gosh.
And it's really bald.
So that is it, mate.
That is it.
It's an amazing process, this. You don't really appreciate it until you come in. It's fantastic. So I've just found out that both of my tyres were literally done. There's a puncture in the second tyre and it explains why the TPMS was just going mad. Whilst Alan's finishing up fitting the tyres in there, just go through like the different options I had. So I decided to do the Bridgestones again just because this car doesn't come with a spare wheel, so just in case I'm going on long journeys, I don't want to be stuck on the side of the road. Yes, I've got BMW assistance, so if I do get stuck, I will get help, but just for peace of mind, I decided to go back to Bridgestones. I know most of you in the comment section will absolutely slate me saying Bridgestones are too hard, they're too firm, but the other option was to go for the Michelin's PS4 S's, Continentals, Pirellis, but these Bridgestones, I thought, you know, they're the tyres that came originally with the car, and they're £200 each, so, you know, they're not going to break the bank. So £400 for 2 new rear tyres, so. So I've just been told that the car needs a realignment, and that's an extra £84. so we might as well get it done. I've had 2-year rear tyres, the fronts are okay, and yeah, hopefully it'll be all good. The brakes are good, everything else is good. Using their trusted machine, this is what they're using to alarm the car. So I've just been told that tow is bad and camber is good, so that's what they're trying to eliminate. So if it's in green, that means it's now correct. So guys, it's all done. Thanks to this lovely good man right here. So that is it, guys, it's all finished now. The car's had 2 brand new rear tyres, fully aligned, brake checked, and now I've just got to go pay it. So guys, that is it. I've now left the tyre shop. Hope you enjoyed that video. Huge thanks for watching. Bye bye.